morning everyone, I am Jazelle A Panoso from 1BS APC, and for today's video I am going to show you how to open AutoCAD, explain what's in my monitor, how to use toolbars, and how to provide command. To open AutoCAD, just double click the application here and wait until the loading is done and the application is finally open. From here, you will see the recent documents, and here you can see this Get Started and Start Drawing Word. It is where you can click to finally start your drawing. And if you wish to continue your recent documents, just click whatever file you will continue. Now, let's get started. So, at the upper part, it is where you can find the application form, where I can open a new document, or open a file, or do operations regarding saving or exporting. Then the main part at the top is called the ribbon. There you will find the majority of the tools you will need during the program. So right above that is the tab which group the buttons in different categories. So for example, the current tab is the Home tab. It is which has the most used icons. So if you switch to the Insert tab, you will find icons related to this category. So, for example, in the Home tab, the first panel have the icons which can perform drawing actions. The second panel is they are related to modifying objects. And in the third panel is the annotation icons. Additionally, when you click in the panel that has an arrow facing down, it shows extra icons which are used less often. So, in this part is the Quick Access toolbar. From the word quick, it is the fastest way to access common commands. Now, this is the navigation bar. Now, I'm gonna show you how to use the tools in AutoCAD. So, for example, I want to draw a line. So, as you may guess, I can click on the icon here and go to the workspace. So, I can click the first point and then click the second point wherever I want. As simple as that. Now, I'm going to repeat the process, but this time, I want to pay attention to this command bar. So, this shows the operations that are taking place during the projects. I click again the line icon, and you can notice here the line specify first point. The first word which appears in capital is the command name. Then, that's the prompt sentence that tells what to do next. Now, I click here to specify the first point, and then click again. Now, I click here to specify the first point, and then it asks to specify the next point, so I click again. As you see, I just draw a line, but it keeps asking to specify another point. So if you wish to end it, just press escape to exit the line command. In conclusion, to perform any action in AutoCAD, just type the command name. So for example, I type the line and press enter. I can draw a line, then press the button escape to leave the command. Now, I want to draw a circle. So I can click in its icon or type the command name, which is circle. Though, here you go. Now, additionally, each command has a shortcut called the alias. So I don't need to type its full name. For example, L is the shortcut for the command line. L, so line specify first point. Now, C for circle. Enter. Here you go. So next to the line icon is the polyline. A polyline is a connect sequence of line created as a single object. So for example, let's draw something. So click the polyline and choose a start point to draw the first line and make sure the polar mode is on. Type 25, press enter, go to the right, type 30, press enter, and finally vertically down, type 25 and press enter. So if I click the polyline, it selects the full sequence. Now let's try the rectangle. Rectangle is in reality a polyline. It's just a faster way to draw this kind of object, as I just need to specify 2 points. Let's try to draw it. The command is this one. Specify the first point and then I only need the opposite corner. I can simply click to paste it or insert the coordinates regarding to the first point. Now I'm gonna click the rectangle icon again. So the first blank is to the x-axis. So I just type 40, then enter. The second blank is for the y-axis. So I just type 30, then I press enter again. So in fact, what I just did is inserting the length and the width. Arc. An arc is a section of a circle, and like the previous command, there's an arrow below the icon with different ways of specifying points. So I'm going to draw an arc. So I will choose the start, center, end. Now, there is a line here. So first I'm going to put the line and then click its end point and put the center here and finally the end. So this is an example of arc. Let's now proceed to commands that will help you in modifying objects and to be more effective while drawing. So I'm going to start with the basic ones. So the move. For example, I want to move this rectangle to a distance of 40 to the right. So I'll just click the move icon here and select the rectangle. Specify the base point. So I just click it here and I'll just type a distance of 40 and press enter. So another way is to move the object is to activate the move icon again. Click the rectangle, specify the base point, and just drag the rectangle wherever you want. Copy. This command works in the same way as the command move. So I'm going to copy this rectangle. So just click this rectangle, specify the point, and then just drag it wherever you want, or then you can copy as many as you can. And when you're done, just press enter to escape. Now look at this polyline. With the command offset, I can describe the polyline inside. With a specific distance is called offset distance and has a length of 10. So let's try it. The icon offset is this one here. Then I type 10, the distance, enter, select the polyline, and move the point here inside. And click there to draw the new polyline. By the way, if I click outside the area, the new polyline offset outside the original one is emerged. So an offset can also be applied in line. So for example here, then again, and click the line and put it here. So it is parallel to the first one. Trim. In AutoCAD, we often need to cut parts of objects we have drawn before. So for that, we can use the command trim. For example, we have this line here. So I want to erase this segment. So after you click the command trim, which is located here, click the two lines, press enter, and click the segment where you want to erase and press enter. Now, the segment is gone.